Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy wooden door designs. New designs, new ideas. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy wooden door designs, main door designs, room door designs, office door designs, beautiful designs and ideas, single and double door designs, new and trendy designing ideas you can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy wooden door designs, stylish door ideas. Those who love such type of wooden door designs, most beautiful, most attractive designing ideas you can see in this my video. Save your room, your lounge, your home and office with beautiful and trendy wooden door designs. Stylish designing ideas you can see in this my video. Every design is different one another. Every design is beautiful and trendy, mind-blowing designs and ideas. You can easily make these very beautiful, stylish wooden door designs if you know woodworking. Highly running ideas you can see in this my video. Most likely, most beautiful, most useful designing ideas. If you want to buy these very beautiful trendy wooden door designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. You can visit my channel and see more collection about woodworking. New and trendy designing ideas. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.